that the young man you cheat on. You a preach better, you go check a deacon, yeah. Oh, yeah. The situation you can't help. You know what you do, it can't help. Sorry now, please can't help me. So if I forgiveness I want, you know leave your son. Love down there, your son. Baby, me no pleasure, pan for a pinnacle. If me forgive you, it have to be a miracle.
I tell the strong man, I threw him down, but him to his knees. I'm hoping somehow you'll forgive me. I think to myself, I've been waiting for you like I can show. Sailing back and forth, stay for me. Robert. Don't know why I was untrue with everything I put you through. How to make you feel if I said I still love you? If I could come back, still like 2% do. Never thought we'd be this couple. I'm running at the first sign of trouble. I turned a strong Mary. I threw him down, brought him to his knees. I'm hoping somehow you'll forgive me. I think to myself, I've been waiting for you like I can show. Sailing back and forth, stay for me long. I'm waiting for you like I can show. Sailing back and forth.
I got my eyes on you. Everything that I see, I want your high love and emotion. Endlessly, I can't get over you. You left your mark on me. I want your high love and emotion. Endlessly, 'cause you're a good girl and you know you act so different around me. 'Cause you're a good girl and you know I know exactly who you could be. Just hold on, I'm going home. Just hold on, I'm going home. It's hard to do these things alone. Just hold on, I'm going home. I got my eyes on you. Everything that I see, I want you. Endlessly, I can't get over you. You left your mark on me. I want your high love and emotion. Endlessly, 'cause you're a good girl and you know you act so different around me. 'Cause you're a good girl and you know I know exactly who you could be. Just hold on, I'm going home. Just hold on, I'm going home. It's hard to do these things alone. Just hold on, I'm you act so different around me. 'Cause you're a good girl and you know it. I know exactly who you could be. Just hold on, I'm going home. It's hard to do these things alone. Just hold on, I'm going home.
It makes it easier, easier to bear. You won't be ready, no, no. Some girls, they don't forget it. Happy in the days, sweet, sweet.
Sounds so soulful, don't you agree? I invented sweat. Popping bottles, putting supermodels in a cab. Proof. I guess I got my swagger back. Truth. New watch alert. Few blows. Or the big face rollie, I got two of those. Arm out the window through the city, I maneuver slow. Cut back, snap back, see my cut through the hole. Damn, easy and hope. Where the hell you been? Niggas talking real reckless. Stuck man. I adopted
of these niggas, feel them coming in. Now I'm about to make them tuck their whole summer in. They say I'm crazy when I'm about to go dumb again. They ain't seen me cause I pulled up in my other Benz. Last week I was in my other Benz. Throw your diamonds up, cause we in this bitch another year. Photo shoot fresh, looking like wealth. I'm about to call a paparazzi on my political refugee asylum can be purchased. Everything's for sale. Got 5 passports, I'm never going to jail. I made Jesus walks, I'm never going to hell. Couture level flow is never going on sale. Luxury rap, the Hermes of verses. Sophisticated ignorance, write my curses in cursive. I get it custom. You a customer, you ain't custom to going through customs. You ain't been knowing how. And all the ladies in the house got them showing out. I'm done, I hit you up, man. Nah. Welcome to Havana, smoking Cubanos with Castro and Cabanas. Via Mexico, Cubano, Dominicano, all the plugs that I know. Driving Benzes with no benefits, not bad, huh? For some immigrants, build your fences, we digging tunnels. Can't you see we getting money up under you? Can't you see the private jets flying over you? Maybach bumper stickery, what we're overdue. Jay is chilling, Yay is chilling. What more can I say? We killing them. Hold up, before we end this campaign. As you can see, we done bodied the damn lames. Lord, please let them accept the things that can't change. And pray that all of their pain be champagne. Wait till I get my money right. I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven. When I awoke, I spent that on a necklace. I told God I'll be back in a second. Man, it's so hard not to act reckless. To whom much is given, much is tested. Get arrested, guess until he get the message. I feel the pressure under more scrutiny. And what I do, act more stupidly. Bought more jewelry, more Louis V. My mama couldn't get through to me. The drama, people suing me. I'm on TV talking like it's just you and me. I'm just saying how I feel, man. I ain't one of the Cosby's, I ain't go to jail, man. I guess the money should have changed them. I guess I should have forgot where I came from.
Way to go, Watson!
Can't tell me nothing, right? Excuse me, cause you saying something? You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Let up the suicide doors. This is my life, homie, you decide yours. I know that Jesus died for us, but I couldn't tell you who the side was. So I parallel double punch that motherfucker sideways. Old folks talking about back in my day. But homie, this is my day. Class started 2 hours ago. Oh, am I late? No, I already graduated. And you can live through anything if magic made it. They say I talk with so much emphasis. Ooh, they so sensitive. Don't ever fix your lips like collagen to say something where you gon' end up apology. Let me know if it's a problem then. Alright, man, holler then. La, 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 wait till I get my money right. La, 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 and you can't tell me nothing, right? Excuse me, cause you saying something? You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Let the champagne splash, let that man get cash, let that man get past. He don't even stop to get gas. If he could move through the rumors, he could drive off of fumes, cuz how he move in a room full of no's? How he stay faithful in a room full of hoes? Must be the pharaohs, he in tune with his soul. So when he buried in a tomb full of gold, treasure, what's your pleasure? Life is a depending how you dress her. So if the devil wear Prada, Adam, Eve wear nada, I'm in between with way more fresher. With way less effort. Cause when you try hard, it's when you die hard. Your homies looking like, why God? When they reminisce over you, my God. La, 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 wait till I get my money right. La, 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 and you can't tell me nothing, right? Excuse me, was you saying something? You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. La, 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 wait till I get my money right. La, la, and you can't tell me nothing, right?
Ay, el sol se le va con las nubes y me regala un día cabrón, como cuando me quedaba en Boquerón. Lo mejor nunca se sube, al menos que en la radio salga esta canción. Hoy voy a darle paso a mi corazón, por eso me perdí. Me fui de vacaciones, con muchas cervezas y canciones, un shot por las buenas amistades y por las bendiciones. Y si el día se pone feo, tú me lo haces bonito. Ya no pido más deseos, tengo todo lo que necesito. Que quiere saberlo todo. Si pongo el location ya no es un secret spot. Hoy voy a pasarla bien y no pensar en nada. Y no pensar en nada, y no pensar en nada. Porque a veces pienso tanto que me olvido de dar gracias cuando me levanto. A veces pienso tanto que me olvido de pensar en mí. Que me olvido hasta de dormir, hey. Así que no se asusten si desaparezco. Un rato viendo que yo me lo merezco. Hablan de trabajo, no me hablan de escuela. Que yo subí delante y abrí la vela. Puedo ver el paraíso llegando Isabela. Un mango de Mayagüe, después pa' la palguera. Puerto Rico se ve lindo hasta en Google Maps. Yo le quiero dar la vuelta con Sunset y con Gaps. Lo que traigo es vibra linda, no quiero confiar. Para la altura, con un disco detrás. No me busques que no me vas a encontrar. No me vas a encontrar, no. Me fui de vacaciones con muchas cervezas y canciones, un shot por la buena amistades y por las bendiciones. Y si el día se pone feo, tú me lo haces bonita. Ya no pido más deseos, tengo todo lo que necesito. Ya no pido más deseos, tengo todo lo que necesito. I can't have no one, I'm chilling at night.
Now I'm in the basement, and I'm in the basement. Now you lay your face down, got me singing out happy. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. I got me in there to tell me there's nothing I ain't doing more than that. Just want you, if I can, I like you, not the best idea. Gives me this next time I get here. I like you nice. I still love you though. Rather be sad than alone. I did it all for love. I did it all for love. I did it all of this so bad. I did it all for us. I did it all for love. I did it all of this so no justice. I did it all of this so well. Don't you know I did it all for us? I just killed my ex. Not the best idea. Killed his girlfriend next time I get here. I just killed my ex. I still love him though. Rather be in hell than alone.
Hold it. There you go.
Like the legend of the phoenix, ends with beginnings. What keeps the planet spinning? The force from the beginning. Present has no rhythm. Your gift keeps on giving. She's up all night to the sun. I'm up all night to get some. She's up all night for good fun. I'm up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to the sun. We're up all night to get some. We're up all night for good fun. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 And a half weight, nigga, fuck that. Got a high tolerance when your age don't exist. Man, that's where my nigga treated like that shit again. Pick him up, then I sit him in cold water. Then I order someone to bring him Vicodin. Then hold it, take the pain away from the feeling that he feel today. You know when you're part of Section 8 and you feel like no one can relate. Cause you are marijuana and office make you stronger, stronger. I'm in the house party tripping like my generation, sipping coffee, syrup like it's water. Never no pancakes in the kitchen, man. Not one of our lives is caught up in the daily superstition that the world is about the end. Who gives a fuck? We never do listen. Listen for the 808. I'm not like this house. PlayStation is some drink. Technology pop song. Looking around. unless you gon' do it. Extra, extra, spread the news. I can never took a trip from the moon to Neptune. Came down, saw him thinking if it is that stone. Since you gotta think about cutting the restroom. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. It's right now. With a little bit of, let it go. Give a little bit of, with a little bit of, let it go. With a little bit of, and a sprinkle of that.
Cristian, you out! No food for you, Cristian.
Hold on. Fuck that shit.
Yeah.
Hold on. I got to start this motherfucking record over again. Fuck that
Come on.
shit. Still on this motherfucking record. I'm gonna play this motherfucker for y'all. Hey, y'all get some more drinks going on. I'll sound a whole lot better.
All right.
Seeing you got ritualistic. Cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like the defenses. You got issues that I mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you.
1 minute.
Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't blame you.
Come on, Cristian.
Listen, harder getting trust from the distance. I think we should leave it for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Breathing,
Good.
just going back to breathing. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now.
No.
Falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways. I can't believe it.
Look at that. Right.
Passionate from miles away,
Cristian ohtani.
passing up on my own ways. I can't believe it.
Come on, Cristian. Are you gonna get Chick-fil-A? Ohtani! There you go! Cristian.
No mire la faldita, Cristian.
Ya no mires la güera, Cristian. Easy, papa, easy. There you go. Easy. There you go. Hey, it's all right, come on.
Way to stop that ball!
Easy, Cristian, easy.
I call you got that, cause you's a wildcat. You leave me with a big neck scratch when I hit it from the back. Feel it under your stomach, you like it like that. To catch you half sleep so you can't fight that. You go for hours, fucking the shower, pussy devour. Foreplay in the kitchen, bend it over the counter. You taste like candy, I eat it like sour power. You be liking it raw, your body soft as a flower. And when we finish, you be holding me. Put your ear on my chest, you be so to me. You close the blind, you eating that. But the more from the beginning, you said it was mine. And I can tell the way you said it that you weren't lying. You sent me text, baby, you fine. And I can still feel it tingle up and down my spine.
There you go. On your...
Watch out, finish! Read it!
Good job! Cristian! Guys!
Every night I let it ride. I'ma bring you on tour with me. One for me. And even if you want for me, it's a good mistake. Even when I'm wrong, wake up in
We are so good, guys!
That's 5-1.
Cristian Ohtani!
Oh, this song feel like no pussy, making it busy. Hot